Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you have an invisible box on your screen that is blocking you from clicking on desktop icons or interacting with your open applications, it is usually caused by a frozen Windows search process or a Taskbar UI glitch. I'll show you exactly how to terminate this broken process and clear your screen right now. Let's get started. First, forcefully resetting the primary desktop interface will usually clear away any stuck invisible overlay elements immediately. Press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously to launch the Windows Task Manager. Ensure you are on the Processes tab, scroll down to the bottom of the list, and locate the Windows Explorer application. Right-click on Windows Explorer and select Restart to completely refresh your taskbar, desktop, and all interface overlays. Next, the most notorious cause for a permanent invisible box directly above the taskbar is a specific background search service that fails to close. Keep your Task Manager open, but navigate to the Details tab located on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down the alphabetical list and carefully look for an executable file named MiniSearchHost.exe or SearchHost.exe. If you locate either of these running, right-click the process, select End Task, and confirm it to instantly destroy the invisible window. Finally, to prevent this specific rendering bug from constantly returning, you should adjust the taskbar triggers that cause these invisible windows to freeze. Right-click on any empty space on your Windows 11 taskbar and click on Taskbar Settings to open the customization menu. Under the Taskbar Items section, change the Search drop-down to Hide or Search Icon Only, so the massive search flyout cannot invisibly cache itself. Additionally, toggle off the Widgets switch just beneath it, as its background web view processes are also known to occasionally create invisible dead zones. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.